Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your group name on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger and navigate to your group chats. You'll see a list of all your group conversations displayed on your screen. Find the specific group chat where you want to change the name and tap on it to open the conversation. This will take you directly into that group's chat interface. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice an information icon there, typically represented by a small circle with the letter I inside or 3 dots depending on your device. Go ahead and tap on this information icon. This action opens up the group settings and details page where you can manage various aspects of your group chat. Now you'll see several options and information about your group displayed on this page. Near the top, you'll notice your current group name clearly visible. This is the name that all members of the group see when they open the chat, so choosing something descriptive or fun can help everyone identify the conversation quickly. To change this name, simply tap on your current group name. When you do this, a text field will appear on your screen, allowing you to edit the existing name. The current name might be highlighted, making it easy for you to start typing immediately. This feature gives you the flexibility to update your group name whenever you want, whether you're organizing a project team, planning an event, or just chatting with friends. Now, in this text field, simply input the new group name you want to use. Type carefully to make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear for all group members. You can choose something creative, professional, or whatever fits the purpose of your group chat. Take a moment to double-check your spelling before moving forward. After you've entered your new group name, look for the Save button and click on it. This confirms your changes and updates the group name for everyone in the chat. You'll notice that the new name appears immediately, replacing the old one. All members of the group will be notified of this change, and they'll see the updated name the next time they open the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully changed your group name on Facebook Messenger, giving your chat a fresh identity that better suits your needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.